Today we will discuss some more terms based on propositional logic, that are tautology, contradiction and contingency. So what is tautology? When we are constructing the truth table, then we have the possible outcome also, that is the final resultant column. So when all the ones are there in the output column, then it is said to be a tautology. Let's see it from the definition. When we construct truth table, so the value applied in the columns may be 0 and 1, but if the resultant column have all the ones or always result true, then it is said to be the tautology. So let us see the example. Here it is given in the first column A. So for single variable, possible outcomes is 0 and 1. Here in the second column we are taking 1, so possible outcomes will be 1 and 1 only. Now the resultant column, when we are finding A plus 1, so we are applying OR operation over here. OR operation says when both the condition are false, then the output is false. So here one condition is false and the other is true, so the output is true. And when both the condition are true, then output is also true. So here we are saying that the output column has all the ones. So this is known as A plus 1 is a tautology. Similarly, let us see one more example based on this. Here we have given the expression A dot B, that is, this is the expression. So here AND operation is there. Here also AND operation, after performing AND we have negated the statement, and both the statements are connected with OR operation. So how many variables are there? First of all, we will see there are two variables, A and B. So we are taking in the first column A 0 0 1 1, then in the second column B we are taking 0 1 0 1. Now for both the, since first expression what we want is A dot B, that is we have to perform AND operation on this, and AND operation says if both the condition is true, then our resultant is true, otherwise our resultant will be false in other possible situations. So let us see here, both the condition are true, so we are getting the output to be 1, and in rest of the condition we are taking, since one of the condition is false or both the condition are false, so the output is 0. Now according to the given expression we have to find the negation of A dot B. So A dot B we have got, now we will construct another column, that is A dot B's negation. So negation says change the value from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. So here 0 changes to 1 and 1 changes to 0. Now we have to perform OR operation to get the final expression. So we will perform OR operation on third and fourth column. So we are getting, after performing OR operation, as OR operation says that if any one of the condition is true or both condition is true, then output is 1. So 0 plus 1 we are getting 1 here. So in a final resultant column we are getting 1. So this is known as tautology. Now what is contradiction? If the outcome of any proposition always results to 0, that is if the final column is always giving you the answer 0, then that is termed as contradiction. See, if the output of the truth table column contains only zeros, then the situation is termed as contradiction. So let us understand by the example. Here in this first example we are getting column A to be 0 and 1, column B zeros. Now we are performing AND operations. Since AND operation says if any of the condition or both condition are false, then our output is false. So here 0 0, so answer is 0, and 1 0, when we are performing AND it is given 0. So the resultant column is 0. So A dot 0 is a contradiction. Similarly, see one more example. In the first column, since here we have two variables A and B, so possible values will be 4. So in the first column we are taking 0 0 1 1, in the second column we are taking 0 1 0 1. Now we are performing A dot B, that is AND operation. So AND operation says 0 0 0, all three 0, and 1 1 resultant to 1. Then according to given expression we have to find A complement So when we are performing A negation or A complement, then it is giving from 0 converted to 1 and 1 converted to 0. Then we have to perform AND operation on third and fourth column. So while performing AND operations, what AND operation says, as we know that if both the condition are true, then resultant is true. Here there is no case when both the condition are true. So a resultant column, all zeros are. So this is known as the contradiction. Now let us see contingency. Since we have discussed tautology, final column, there will be ones, and in contradiction, in the resultant column, all are 0. But in contingency, in the final resultant column of truth table, we have the combination of zeros and 1. So let us see the example of this. Here we are taking A to be 0011 and B similarly 0101. Now we are performing OR operation, which says that 00 will be 0 and rest case 1. Now when we are performing AND operation on first and third column, we are getting combination of 0 and 1. So this is known as the contingency.